Welcome. In front of me I have the OPPO A16, and today I'll show you how to apply tempered glass to, well, this phone, but same logic can be applied to basically any other one. So anyway, I have my tempered glass right over here, so I'll just take it out. Inside obviously you have the glass itself, and there we go, the wet and dry wipe. Now to be perfectly honest, I kind of hate those. They're the smallest little piece of cloth that you can possibly have. They're just a tiny bit bigger. One of them, because there's two, is just a little bit bigger than about this square. So like I said, they're just absolutely tiny. So I will be using a microfiber cloth instead, just because, let's be honest, this is way better. Does the job basically as well, and you don't need to have a tiny little cloth for it. All you need to do is really wipe off all the dirt that is on your display and make sure that there's no dust on it as well. I'm just gonna quickly give it a wipe. From there, once you have it prepared, grab the glass. For me, I only have one side to peel off, as you can see, this one, and the glass right here is where I'm going to be applying. Sometimes the tempered glass do have like the dual layer, so you have this one to peel off and the other one. One is just a protection for the glass itself, while the other one is a sticky area. So find whichever one it is that you have and then peel accurately. For me, it's just this one. So let's do this. I'm gonna peel this off right away if I can. There we go. If I can get it off. And before I actually apply it, I'm gonna just give a couple of more passes on the display just so there is no dust. Align it to the display. And then just drop on it. And you should start seeing that it's gonna... There we go. Now it looks like I didn't clean it too well. Okay, so there we go. Now this weird like specks that you can see, this is from the cutting process of the glass itself, so this can be wiped off. So it's not the easiest thing to clean off. Maybe use some solution. It should come off from like some excessive wipes. As you can see, it does slowly wipe off. There we go, you can see that there is more wiped off. So yeah, just go around, clean it off completely, and you should be good to go. But yeah, there we go. That's basically how you'd apply the glass, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.